Good even. I am I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp with you in the Weather Center in the Breaking Weather Center right now. We do have active severe weather tracking again. We have this severe thunderstorm. I'm in the Illinois Region Weather Media Center right now, so we're continuing to track severe thunderstorms through the even hours. Right now, we have this strong line of thunderstorms, and I'm excited to give you another live severe weather feed. We got a couple severe thunderstorm warnings are in place again. So let me zoom into this one line. And we already had some damage reports coming in from this. I'm going to take the tracks off so if we can see first. Severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in central Missouri. At 11:09, a severe thunderstorm is located near Florence, moving southeast around 40 miles an hour. So this is booking at 40. 60 miles of wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Train weather spotter. So if you live in Jonesburg, you're in this. It includes that. This includes Interstate 70, Missouri, between exit 148 and 183. So this is a tornado watch remains in effect with the warned area. So any of these storms tonight could get could have a spin to them to be tornadoes. So we'll zoom in here. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that goes in effect through about, looks like a severe thunderstorm warning goes through around, let's see, I have to look at the text. It'll expire in a little bit. Trying to find the expiration time. Report to Montgomery. And we got this new severe thunderstorm warning goes through 12:15 at south central Calhoun County, Missouri. And part of Franklin County in eastern Missouri, Owenton County in central Missouri, and Goslar County, central Missouri to 12:15. At 11:08, severe thunderstorm is located along the line extending from 7 miles north of below to Montgomery to city to Malone to 6 miles north of Floaton, moving at 40 miles an hour. This is booking at 40 miles an hour. Hazard 60 miles of wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. So if this includes Interstate 44 in Missouri, which is miles marked 225 and 42. This is in miles marked Interstate 70 Missouri between miles marked between 188 and 200. We just got a severe new warning in place for parts of St. Louis, Horn County in central Missouri, and South Central Jersey County in South Central Missouri, St. Charles County in Central Missouri, and Eastern Montgomery County in Eastern Missouri, and South Central Ward counties into 12:15. At 11:28, severe thunderstorm located along a line that extended from Hardin to near Easburg to Dave's, moving east around 25. So hazard 60 miles of wind gust. So if you live in any of these communities like Troy, I mean, if you here's the thing: if you live in Troy, Moco, Mills, Charlton, Rocks, St. Paul, Wait City, Josephville, O'Fallon, St. Charles, St. Peters, Florence, Maryland Heights, Lewis, and Prairie. So this includes Interstate 70 between miles marked 175 and 183. So, and between exit 203 and 229. So this includes Cree River State Park, First Missouri State Capitol, and Murray State Park. So this is a tornado watch remains in effect with the warned area. Damage and straight line winds is going to be the biggest threat with this, and very strong to straight line winds is going to be the biggest thing with these sails. So let me see if I can invite Isaac or Ian in, and Might be a little bit busy if they are. So right now, if you just joined us at almost, we got that one warning. I'll put the tracks back on. You could just see this will be coming into like Cider Lake. So if you're in that area, just be ready. This line of showers and thunderstorms is continuing. We got some areas we have to watch for some weak circulation, and that could lead to the tornadic. So that complex continued. Then we have another complex out here, and this is why, I mean, I'm not going to use why I'm using this, but these have 70 miles of gusts. This is why we have to watch each complex is coming in. So we will be here tracking this. Just going to give everybody an update. This is a strong to severe thunderstorm complex, and normally you get tornadoes when you get the circulations a lot, but like I said, I'm just checking the chat while we're on. Check here my phone, see we have any new things coming in. Just checking, make sure everything's going okay. Right now we don't have any tornado warnings, but tornado watch goes through 2 a.m. and it does include Randolph County, Illinois. So that's something we're going to have to watch. I'll be here for a little while, make sure this doesn't come through later. But I think it could clip some of our other counties. So we'll be here breaking in, and we'll use the other site as possible. Before we sign off, I'm going to pass along some other damage reports coming in earlier before we went through this. We had several reports coming up here by St. Louis, up here in this area of Brown, Illinois. Report the power lines over the interstates and Highway 99 and Highway 107 just south of Mount Standen. Reports of country WGTV. So we just keep having to report the power lines down. And over here by, let's see, more area, we're starting to report the power lines down. So this just tells you this has been a damage and wind threat. I mean, we have a few tornado warnings, and that's just what we had through tonight. But like I said, this line is going to continue. I mean, we're starting to report more power lines down. So this is just going to be an active weekend. You got to pay attention. And like I said, we got the whole staff on call just in case it got bad. So we continue to watch things. I'm not trying to ignore the flash flood threat, but I just shut the flood warnings off so we can see the severe weather. Oh, Fallon, you're in this. So definitely take cover. If a warning gets issued, we'll be here for the overnight hours, and we'll break in as we need to. I am forecaster JD. I got somebody else. All right, we just have somebody from Jay Brayson asking me what time will it be around in Benton. Well, you know, Jay, that's a good question. I mean, I think later in the morning hours, it's still uncertainty if this thing will fall apart. If it falls apart, I mean, then we may not get it, but please don't let your guard down. I mean, that's the thing. I mean, I heard my TV station says tonight, just don't let your guard down. Just pay attention. We'll pass all the viruses around all night, and we'll be with you. So, thanks for the question, Jay. So, we'll continue to keep the radar loaded. Just going to pop on to let you know what's going on. I'm Vice Forecaster JD Rapp. We'll continue to keep you updated.